All right, so I figured before I start cutting back the transom, you guys can see the original design and kind of how sloppy and messy they did it back then. As you can see in the factory, I don't know, like there's just so many different levels. I mean, like, what is this? Like, that's the old wood right there, rotted, or rotting, I should say. This transom's definitely going to be way better than the factory one. It's going to be stronger, lighter, cleaner looking. The finish is going to be way cleaner, way stronger. We're going to do epoxy and Coosa board on this, so I mean, best of the materials you could get, strongest materials you could get. So this little 17-foot boat's going to last a lifetime, and it's going to be a little warship when it's done. So let's get to cutting. About 3 hours in, and it's taking a lot longer than I expected. A lot of work, hard work. Taking all that wood out and fiberglass, it's no joke. But we're almost there. Get into the raw fiberglass, as you could see. Once we get all this pulled back, we're gonna sand it down some, cut the stringers back a little bit, and get it cleaned up for the transom. So what's going on, guys? I'm back at it. Today I'm going to be grinding and sanding the transom down to get it prepped for fiberglass. So as you can see, got all the wood torn out. A little piece there will grind off, but yeah, now we're gonna grind the edges and stuff here. You see how the edges are lifted up, make it nice and flush. Then we're gonna cut back the stringers, maybe like 6 inches or so back, so when we lay the Coosa board and stuff, we could lay a nice sheet of fiberglass sheets down, give it that extra strength. So yeah, today grinding down the edges, cutting back the stringers, sanding these edges down too, getting it ready for the Coosa. All right, now it's suited up. I'm gonna start grinding and cutting the wood. Alright, I took a break from sanding just to show you guys, or grinding, just so I could show you guys what I'm grinding down right now. So see this, how it's all nice and grounded to the raw fiberglass. And then you see here, we've got like a void air pocket, so we're gonna grind it down so it's all nice and flush, like so. Same thing, grinding down the old wood. See, that's still wood right there, grinding it down so it looks like that. Raw fiberglass, raw fiberglass. So yeah. All right, so it's a new day. just got back from FGCI in Fort Lauderdale. It's a fiberglass shop. Highly recommend going to them for any fiberglass stuff. Yeah, here's all the stuff I got from FGCI, besides like the clamps and this stuff. But I got the rollers there, 2 gallons of the epoxy resin, slow cure. Went with the epoxy, much stronger than the polyester and resin. Gallon of acetone to clean stuff up, silica to make a thick batch of the epoxy, 1708 chop strand, Coosa, 1.25" for the transom. So yeah, that's all the stuff I got over at FGCI. Good people, great price, can't complain. So all right, so I'm about to take the hot glue gun and start gluing the popsicle sticks down below the transom. Alright, so the day's here where we're putting in the transom. Got everything cleaned up, laid out, some acetone, the epoxy, the rollers, the mixing over here, and then we got all the clamps, the Coosa board, and the sheets of fiberglass labeled. Oh, and the silica. Alright, so we got the 1708 laid down. Now we're gonna make a thicker batch of the epoxy with the silica to put on the Coosa board, and then we're gonna take that and clamp it to the transom. So let's get to mixing. Transom's officially in, guys. So you can see, got a whole bunch of C clamps and wedges. Make sure there's a lot of even pressure going on to this transom. Got nice seepage going all the way across. So yeah, it's looking good. It's looking real good. So come tomorrow, we'll take the clamps off and we'll start laying the inside fiberglass in. So it's a new day, same old dirty clothes, and it's been 24 hours since the epoxy has cured. It's nice and hard, and man, this thing is just straight up solid, dude. So time to unleash the beast. Take these clamps off, take the wedges out, this off, cut this back here, and then we're gonna lay more 1708 sheets on the inside and 1708 sheets capping the top off as well. So, and then we'll be done. The transom will be done. Alright guys, so the transom's done. The next video will be the stringers. Gonna be running new stringers down the boat. They're like pretty big steps, so it's taking a little longer to release the videos. So like and subscribe. Hope you liked the video. The transom came out solid, way better than factory.